Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neil, and today we're going to be drawing a cartoon banana. But before we get into that, for those of you just joining the channel, be sure to go down and click that subscribe button, because here on Truly Outrageous, we teach you how to draw in a fun and easy way. And we post brand new videos to the channel every Thursday. And for those of you already subscribed, thank you so much for your subscription and continuing to watch Truly Outrageous. All right, let's get into our drawing of a cartoon banana. Let's get started on our drawing. So for this one, you're gonna need a piece of paper. You're going to need your handy dandy drawing utensil. You can use a marker like I'm using, or whatever most comfortable for you. And then for the coloring step, this is the color palette that I'm choosing for the banana. Feel free to copy these colors or choose your own. Also, if I'm going too fast during the drawing, please feel free to push that pause button or hit rewind. I want you guys to be comfortable and have lots of fun while you're drawing. All right, here we go. Step number one, we're gonna draw the top of the banana. Now he is peeled in this drawing. So we're gonna start over here. We're gonna curve our line up to about there. And this portion here has a little bit of a curve in, because we're gonna come around the other side, curve that in just a little bit like that. And then we're gonna curve down just like that. Then we're gonna come in and lay in his face. So we're gonna put some eyes on him, starting with eye number 1 over here, and eye number 2 over here. Then we'll add some pupils and irises in there. Just draw a circle on the inside there, and another circle over on this side. Then we'll drop in his pupils. This is kind of easy, it's kind of a C shape. So we'll just go like this. And like this. So you have that sense of light indication on the pupil. All right, and then we're gonna add in his mouth. Doesn't have a nose, but we're gonna add in a mouth. So we're gonna draw a curved line down like this. He's a happy guy, because he's a banana. And like that, and then we're going to curve up the outside of his mouth, because he's got some banana cheeks. And then we're gonna draw his mouth down like this, around, up and in like that. And then we'll draw in his tongue, because he's a cartoon banana and cartoon bananas have tongues. So just a curved line upside down like that. And then we will color in the back like so in black. Then he's got some eyebrows to accentuate his happy demeanor here. So we'll put a curved line on top like this, and another curved line like that. Next, we're gonna draw the peel. So we're gonna come down like this. We're gonna draw kind of a V shape. Gonna curve that line down like that. Curve that line up like that. Then we'll add in the open peel portion. I guess that's what it's called.
That may not be the best choice.
We will curve a line over like this, and then we're gonna kind of make it droop a little bit. And on this side, we can see the stem. So I'm gonna curve a line in like this, over like this, curve that line back in like that. Then kind of a curved line up to here. This part comes out a little bit and stops right there. This side, we're gonna do kind of the same thing, but there's no stem. So we'll curve that line out like this, and down like this. And this one's rounded, because again, we don't have a stem on this side. Then we're gonna come up, back in like that, and then out, and in like that. Then we'll come down and draw the bottom of the banana. So we're gonna curve a line down like this. Keep in mind you wanna keep this bottom portion about equal to the top portion here. We'll curve a line down like this, and these pieces kind of come together just like they do on a banana. Even though it's a cartoon banana, we wanna kind of mirror what the real life banana looks like. And then we're going to close that off with just kind of a curved line, like so. Now there is some contour to the banana. If you look at a banana, it's got kind of lines on the front side and actually all the way around it. It's got like 3 of them. So we're gonna indicate that contour with just a line like this. And then we're gonna continue this line over here, curve it up over here, and over here, and then down like so. And then on this side, same thing, we're gonna curve that line up over there. But this one, I think we're gonna connect to there. And last but not least, because we wanna separate the peel from the inside of the banana, we're gonna add a little bit of texture to them. So what you can do is just indicate that with some dots, and I'll show you how that's done. So we're just gonna go dot, dot, dot. I'm gonna make him look like he has some freckles with that contour, not contour, texture. Just like that, and then just keep those dots going. They don't have to be in any order or in any particular place on the banana, just kind of on the outside here. And I'll just do this real quick so you guys don't get bored. All right, and there's your line drawing for your cartoon banana. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. Okay, what do you call a detective who's an alligator? An investigator. All right, now we're gonna move on to our coloring step, and we'll do that in super speed, starting now. All right, and there you have it, your fully colored cartoon banana. Thanks for drawing along with me. I hope everybody had a blast drawing the cartoon banana. Hey, if you're new to the channel, remember, don't forget to go down and subscribe below. And if you want to learn how to draw more things, feel free to check out our channel. We've got lots of videos, lots of cool drawings. All right, that's gonna wrap up this video here. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.